Hello and welcome to the Cowboy Mortgage and Insurance channel brought to you by Electrum Financial. If you or a family member are looking for information regarding mortgage finance or insurance policies, please hit the subscribe and like button and send this video over to them. Do you or anyone that you know have a personal life insurance policy? If you don't, this video is a beginning step to better understanding why you should and what some of those general benefits are. There are all kinds of life policies, but for the sake of time, I'm only going to cover two general policies, which are term or temporary insurance and whole life, otherwise known as permanent life policy. Starting with the term policy, this is typically how most consumers begin. This provides a face amount coverage payable on death that is non-taxable, and the premiums, because this is a temporary policy, meaning it lasts 5, 10, 15, 20 years, this is the cheapest premium you can actually find in the marketplace. On the other hand, whole life policies are a little different in the sense that they are permanent policies. They last a lifetime, they accumulate cash value, and they're invested in the marketplace to earn both interest and dividends. Dividends are the key here, guys. Since dividends are a return of unused premiums, they're actually not considered income for taxable purposes. When dividends are left with the insurer to accumulate interest, the interest that's earned on the dividend account is subject to taxation as ordinary income each year that the interest is earned, whether or not that interest is paid out to the policy owner. Another benefit of life policies are that policy loans on a whole life policy can be taken against the account. This means if you're in a tough spot economically, whether you lost a job, commissions aren't paying out as expected, maybe you have a bonus that you normally receive that's being cut from an employer, instead of relying on personal loans and taking on debt or borrowing against a retirement account and paying taxes on an early withdrawal, you can actually borrow against these policy loans since permanent whole life policies accumulate cash value. Plus, they earn interest on the account. The nice thing about life insurance is you're not restricted to one or the other. You can actually have a term policy and a whole life policy both at the same time. One would accumulate cash value over time that's used for emergency purposes, educational use. The other, on the other hand, would be a flat policy to provide relief for your family in difficult time, obviously in the event of your loss. If you or a loved one does not have a life policy in place, call me today. Let's see what coverage we can make that would make the most sense for you. Being a broker, I'll take the time to shop multiple carriers to ensure that you find the best price and policy for you and your family. My number is listed above in the video description. Give me a call. Thank you for catching today's episode of Cowboy Mortgage and Insurance. Please hit the subscribe and like button and tune in on the next video for more related financial information. Talk to you soon.